ডলি, ক্যান ইউ হিয়ার মি? দেখাস ডলি? ঠিক আছে, দেখাও যাচ্ছে, শোনাও যাচ্ছে তো? ঠিক আছে, ওকে।
Let's finish the discussion, then we will start our program. Okay?
ওকে।
Company তুমি আমি বলেছি তুমি একটু বলো না প্রিন্সিপাল স্যারকে জয়েন করতে। They are waiting and they are very punctual in their time.
স্যার কি জয়েন করেননি এখনো? স্যার যে ছিলেন একটু আগে 11। তুমি ফোনে পাচ্ছ না?
কি মনে করেছি বলতে করছি।
ওই তো এসে গেছে।
কোথায় জয়েনিং তো বেশি হয়নি। হ্যালো, একটু ওয়েট করো, জয়েনিং তো বেশি হয়নি। হ্যালো, শুনতে পাচ্ছ? হ্যালো
হ্যালো হ্যালো, গুড মর্নিং স্যার।
হ্যাঁ, শোনা যাচ্ছে? গুড মর্নিং, শোনা যাচ্ছে?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, শোনা যাচ্ছে।
ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে।
কিন্তু স্যার ভিডিওটা স্টিল হয়ে গেছে
এখন?
হ্যাঁ, ভিডিওটা স্টিল হয়ে গেছে।
আচ্ছা, দেখছি।
শোনা যাচ্ছে, ভিডিওটা স্টিল হয়ে গেছে।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, দেখছি দেখছি। কি হচ্ছে? অপশনস। হ্যাঁ, হ্যালো।
হ্যাঁ, শোনা যাচ্ছে স্যার, ভিডিওটা দেখ।
এবার দেখো তো, এবার দেখো তো।
স্যার ভিডিওটা তো দেখা যাচ্ছে না।
বুঝতে পেরেছি, দেখছি কি কারণে দেখা যাচ্ছে না।
শোনা যাচ্ছে সব।
এখনো ক্লিয়ার হচ্ছে না?
এখন তো স্যার কিছুই দেখা যাচ্ছে না।
সেটা তো
যেরকম
ক্লিয়ার
ভিডিও
করা
অফ
আছে।
থাকলে, যেরকম ভিডিও অফ থাকলে হয় সেরকম দেখাচ্ছে। আর
হ্যাঁ,
আগে আপনার স্টিল ফটো আসছিল, মানে দেখা যাচ্ছিল আপনাকে,
হ্যাঁ,
কিন্তু
ঠিক
পুরো
আছে,
স্টিল।
আমি একবার এটাকে বন্ধ করে নতুন
হ্যাঁ,
করে
আপনি একবার বেরিয়ে গিয়ে আবার ঢুকুন।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, তাই করছি। এটা হবে না এখন। ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে, আমি দেখছি, আমি ঢুকছি। হ্যাঁ।
স্যার কি আবার ঢুকতে পেরেছেন?
খুব সুন্দর স্যারকে বলো ভিডিও দেখা না গেলে দেখানো যাবে অডিও দিয়ে
তুমি ফোন করো তাহলে একটা। কালকেও তো হলো, সবই তো হচ্ছিল ঠিক, এটাতে তো হয়, এটাতে তো কোনো প্রবলেম হয় না।
মিটিং মোডে করছি, এটা লাইভ করছি না।
হ্যাঁ এবার
এবার
দেখা
ঠিক আছে,
যাচ্ছে? Hello?
এইবার ঠিক আছে স্যার, একদম ঠিক আছে। হ্যাঁ
ঠিক আছে, ভিডিওটা দেখাচ্ছে?
হ্যাঁ 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 স্যার, এবার ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে।
ঠিক আছে, হ্যাঁ ওকে, স্টার্ট করো। হ্যাঁ start
এবার
করো।
শুরু করে দাও।
হ্যাঁ
হ্যালো স্যার,
হ্যাঁ হ্যালো,
স্যার শালাই স্যার।
ইয়েস ইয়েস ইয়েস, স্টার্ট।
Okay. Hello. Good morning. I, Dr. Dolly Saha, faculty of the Department of Botany and Program Officer of National Service Scheme NSS Unit of Acharya Jagadish Chandra Bose College, Kolkata, extend a warm welcome to all on the occasion of the celebration of Golden Jubilee year of NSS Day of our college. I find immense pleasure in introducing our honorable chief guest, Ms. Sarita Patel, Regional Director of NSS Kolkata, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India. I have enjoyed to take the opportunity to introduce our guest of honor, Mr. Gautam Thakur, Senior Ski Instructor of Atal Bihari Vajpayee Institute of Mountaineering and Allied Sports, Abhiman, Manali, Himachal Pradesh, and Mr. Agnimil Das, Youth Officer, RDNSS Kolkata, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India, and our special guest, Mr. Nishant Acharya, Abhiman, Manali, UP, Himachal Pradesh. I heartily welcome our speaker, Mr. Narveer Negi, Senior Mountaineering Instructor, Abhiman, Manali, Himachal Pradesh, and Dr. Lakshmi Narayan Joshi, Team Students Welfare and Head Department of Yogic Science, Uttarakhand Sanskrit University, Haridwar, Uttarakhand. I also welcome Dr. Poorna Chandra Maiti, Principal of the College, Dr. Shampat Satyavi, Co-Director of Internal Quality Assurance Cell, IQAC, other delegates and guests, all members of governing body, IQAC, NSS, faculties and staff of our college, and dear students and NSS volunteers. Once again, I welcome you all as conduct this national webinar on off-field career guidance organized by the NSS unit in collaboration with IQAC of HSC Post College, Kolkata. I would like to request our Principal Sir, Dr. Poorna Chandra Maiti, for the welcome speech. Sir, please.
ওকে, হ্যালো, am I clear?
Yes,
Hello?
sir, you are.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Yes, sir. You are clear.
Honorable Chief Guest, Ms. Sarita Patel, Regional Director of NSS, Kolkata, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India. Honorable Guest of Honor, Mr. Gautam Thakur, Senior Sky Instructor, Atal Bihari Vajpayee Institute of Mountaineering and Allied Sports, Manali, Himachal Pradesh. And Honorable Mr. Agnimil Das, Youth Officer, RD NSS, Kolkata, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India. Honorable Special Guest, Nishant Acharya, Skiing Instructor, Atal Bihari Vajpayee Institute of Mountaineering and Allied Sports, Manali, Himachal Pradesh. Honorable Speaker, Narveer Negi, Senior Mountaineering Instructor, Atal Bihari Vajpayee Institute of Mountaineering and Allied Sports, Manali, Himachal Pradesh. Honorable Dr. Lakshmi Narayan Joshi, Dean, Student Welfare and Head, Department of Yogic Science, Uttarakhand Sanskrit University, Haridwar, honorable GB members, honorable participants, and my dear fellow friends. Good morning to all of you. Hope you are all well during this pandemic session. I feel much pleasure to give welcome address to all of you participated in this auspicious national webinar organized by Department of NSS in collaboration with IQAC of our college. All of you are cordially welcome on behalf of our college. The various departments of our college in collaboration with Internal Quality Assurance Cell have been organizing national and international webinars for the last couple of months. This event is the 14th webinar in this series. This webinar has become more important when NSS unit is observing 50 years celebration throughout India. Our today's lecture program is the 33 number in NSS Kolkata Golden Jubilee lecture series. Our today's discussion topic is Offbeat Career Guidance, which is a very relevant topic when emergence of multitude career options have become the burning topics throughout the world. From the well-established career professions like medicine and engineering, now students have a lot of choices to new age options such as social media, evangelist and wildlife photography, esports professional, cyber security expert, social media influencers, etc. So choosing a profession is nothing short of a nightmare and extremely stressful for students and parents. Proper career counseling, therefore, has never been as important as it is today. Career counselors must continuously learn and be aware of changing trends, update their knowledge based on job markets, and stay abreast of technological advancement in this field. The role of technology in this field has vastly increased. Today's career counselors need to equip themselves with state-of-the-art career guidance tools and assessments with regard to the courses, examinations, and colleges. At present, in almost all schools and colleges, there is no career counselors, but it has emerged to recruit a professional counselor for the students throughout India. A career coach will impart students various information on the available career courses and to prepare them for appearing various entrance examinations while keeping in mind a student's aptitude, personality, interests, emotions, well-being, and his instinctive behavior, if any. Our today's discussion will help us to know about the present various unconventional attractive career options for our students other than conventional medicine and engineering field. I congratulate.
Please mute. All participants, please mute.
I congratulate all the guests and speakers who will deliver their most valuable speech, sacrificing time from their busy schedule. I also congratulate all the participants who have already joined in this webinar to make it a grand success. I personally congratulate Dr. Dolly Saha, Coordinator, Department of NSS, convener of this webinar, for her regular efforts and inspiration to organize such a national webinar during this pandemic session. Needless to say, Dr. Dolly Saha is a highly efficient and energetic NSS coordinator and social worker of our college. I also congratulate Dr. Sampa Khasnovis, coordinator, IQAC, for her constant guide and inspiration to organize various departmental webinars in our college. I again congratulate all of you for your various levels of contributions to make our event a grand success. I heartily congratulate all of you again on behalf of our college authority. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Now, program and let's
We cannot hear anything.
No sound.
Dolly, it is not being heard. Dolly, we cannot hear anything.
Only video is suffering, no sound is able to listen.
আচ্ছা খালি 1 মিনিট একটু রেখে দিতে বলতো, আমি একটা শেয়ার করব, সেটা কোথা থেকে হবে? এইখান থেকে হবে মনে হচ্ছে।
Dolly, we cannot hear. Okay. No, still we cannot hear anything.
hello.
Yes, we can hear you. In the morning when you were testing, I could hear it, but now no sound is coming.
No sound.
Yes, now it is coming.
समाज के लिए उठे उठे, स्वदेश व राष्ट्र के लिए जगे जगे, स्वयं सजैव सुंदरा सवार दे, स्वयं सजैव सुंदरा सवार दे। हम उठे उठे गजब हमारे संग साथियों, हम बड़े तो सब बढ़ेंगे अपने आप साथियों।
जमीन पे आसमान को उतार दे,
जमीन पे आसमान को उतार दे, स्वयं सजैव सुंदरा सवार दे,
सजैव सुंदरा सवार दे।
उदासियों को दूर कर
खुशी को बांटते चले,
चले
ज्ञान को प्रचार दे प्रसार दे
ज्ञान को प्रचार दे प्रसार दे
सदैव सुंदरा सवार दे
फिर समाज के लिए उठे उठे स्वदेश स्वराष्ट्र के लिए जगे जगे स्वयं सदैव सुंदरा सवार दे स्वयं सदैव सुंदरा सवार दे
Thank you. Now I am requesting our principal sir to publish virtually the NSS Bulletin of 2019-20 of our college. Sir.
হ্যালো হ্যালো এসেছে, তারপরে কি করব? হ্যালো দেখা যাচ্ছে? হ্যালো
Yes, yes, sir.
দেখা যাচ্ছে স্যার, দেখা যাচ্ছে।
ওকে,
This is our annual bulletin.
হ্যাঁ হয়েছে হয়েছে।
Published virtually. Sir, please call down.
ওকে,
Hello, sir.
ওকে, আই এম স্ক্রলিং।
Okay, sir.
ওকে,
Can we continue? Hello, sir.
ওকে এন্ড হয়ে যায়।
Okay, then. Go ahead.
দিস ইজ এন্ড।
Yeah.
ওকে
Thank you, sir.
ওকে,
I would like to request IQSC coordinator, Dr. Champa Khatnavit, for her introductory speech. Madam, please.
Yes, can you hear me?
ইয়েস ইয়েস ইয়েস।
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am, we can.
Okay. Respected Principal Dr. Purnochandra Maiti, our chief guest, Ms. Sarita Patel, Regional Directorate of NSS Kolkata, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India, Mr. Ognimil Dash, RDNSS Kolkata, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India, Mr. Gautam Thakur, Mr. Nishant Acharya, and Mr. Narbir Negi of the Atal Bihari Vajpayee Institute of Mountaineering and Allied Sports, Manali, Himachal Pradesh, and Dr. Lakshmi Narayan Joshi of Uttarakhand Sanskrit University, Hardwar, Uttarakhand, my dear colleagues and students. On behalf of the Internal Quality Assurance Cell of our college, I welcome you all to this national webinar organized by the NSS unit of our college in collaboration with the IQAC to celebrate NSS Day today. As the National Service Scheme complete 50 years, let us reflect a little bit on the history of its evolution. This scheme is actually the brainchild of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who, after independence as the head of the University Grants Commission, recommended the introduction of voluntary national service in academic institutions in order to imbibe a sense of social responsibility in the students, or rather the future citizens of the country. In January 1950, the Central Advisory Board of Education recommended that students and teachers should devote time to voluntary social work. In 1958, Jawaharlal Nehru, in a letter to the chief ministers, considered the idea of social service as a prerequisite for graduation. He directed the Ministry of Education to formulate a suitable scheme for the introduction of national service into academic institutions. However, it was not until May 1969, the birth centenary year of Gandhi, when a conference of student representatives from higher education institutions, convened by the Ministry of Education and the University Grants Commission, unanimously agreed that a national service scheme could be an instrument for national integration. The Planning Commission sanctioned grant for the NSS during the fourth five-year plan, stipulating that the NSS be a pilot project in selected institutions and universities. Finally, on 24th September 1969, the then Union Education Minister V.K.R.V. Rao launched the NSS at 37 universities in different states. Presently, the scheme has been extended to all states and universities in the country, and also +2 level institutions in many states. Our institution is no exception, as the NSS unit of our college continues to serve the society with great zeal and enthusiasm through various awareness programs and special camps all the year round, as is evident from the annual report, the digital version of which has just been published today. In conclusion, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to all the members of the NSS unit, the speakers today, the teachers and the students who have been rendering selfless voluntary service for the betterment of the deprived section of our society throughout the year. Thank you all. Take care and stay safe. Over to you, Dolly.
Madam. NSS was started on 24 September 1969, or birth centenary of Mahatma Gandhi, to build the sense of social responsibility to teachers and students' involvement in constructive service with the motto of not me, but you. Every year, to encourage the NSS volunteers, we award them with the Best Volunteer of the Year, the Best Volunteer of the Special Camp, good performances during the Special Camp, and participation certificate to all. Moreover, our college has launched a program, While You Learn, to motivate our students to earn a little during their study. Every second and fourth Saturday after college hours, 2 hours are scheduled for NSS classes. I am sharing with you the activities of NSS of our college during this COVID pandemic situation. Adopting the new normal lifestyle, NSS has organized a 3-day international webinar on Let's Move On, There Is No Planet B from 14 to 15 July 2020. On 15th August, Independence Day, also celebrated by resting the flag at college campus with a very few residential staff, and volunteers that virtually paid their homage to the nation. On 5th September, Teachers' Day also celebrated virtually, and today we are celebrating the Golden Jubilee year of NSS on digital platform. A webinar on off-pit career guidance, mainly on mountaineering and yogic science, followed by a cultural program will be performed by the NSS volunteers. Focusing on today's webinar topic, off-pit career guidance, I can say when it comes to select a career, we only think of engineering, medical, information technology, accounts, and teaching. But there are several career options that we can pursue to build a successful career. Adventure sports and yoga are such offbeat career choices which one can consider. Adventure sports give you an opportunity to transform your hobby into an exciting, fun-filled, and rewarding career option. In addition to interest and aptitude, the candidate should possess a right attitude and the risk-taking ability. Mountaineering is quite a popular sport given the nation's geography and with formal educational and basic and advanced training. If you ask me to describe adventure in one word, to me it's freedom. On the other hand, off-beat behavior in today's more and more individuals are searching for means to achieve a sense well-being, peace, and tranquility. Yoga offers all these and more. Yoga is an ancient Indian philosophy which includes several exercises, postures, and meditation techniques. I will not elaborate more, but today I am very pleased to say that we have here Mr. Romil Thakur from Manali, Abimas. He was one of our teachers during that adventure camp. And I am also here to pleased to say that my ex-student, Mr. Balendra Sekhar Mani Tripathi, he is also here. Now he is in Indian military. And really I feel proud of you, Mani. So now I would like to request our chief guest, Ms. Sarita Patel, Regional Director of NSS Kolkata, Ministry of Youth Affairs, Government of India, to enlighten us with her speech. But I'm sorry to say that Sarita ma'am couldn't join because due to some poor connection of internet. She may join later. Till then, we will continue our program, and she said to continue. And I would like to request our guest of honor, Mr. Gautam Thakur, Mr. Gautam Thakur, who is present here, and a brief introduction of Mr. Thakur. He is at present working as a senior skiing instructor and training officer at Atal Bihari Vajpayee Institute of Mountaineering at Abimas, Manali, Himachal Pradesh. He has completed his degree course from Government Degree College, Kulu, and Masters in English from Himachal Pradesh University. He has done the courses of mountaineering, skiing, and water sports and joined Abimas in 1991. He climbed the Leo Fregal Peak, the highest peak in Himachal, in 1999, and also in 2011 in the Golden Jubilee of Abimas. He has participated in HMI Argentina expedition to Kemet and also participated in Maratha Light Infantry and British Light Infantry to Gorichen of Arunachal Pradesh. He has participated in HMI SARC expedition to Gaya North. He was a member of East Swede Everest expedition and also was the leader of IMF Shigri Parvat expedition in 2006 and climbed the peak of 21,750 feet. Now I would like to request our guest of honor, Mr. Gautam Thakur, to motivate us with his speech. Sir, please.
Good morning, Dolly. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. You are audible. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, all everyone. And first of all, I'm very thankful that you have given me an opportunity to be the part of the NSS Day. And a special regard for Chief Guest, Madam Sarita Daulisa and the Principal Purnachandra Maiti. And as we are having also the part of our department is also the part under the Ministry of Vices as the NSS. And we are having a good collaboration with the NSS all over India as we started, and yourself also be the part in 2018. And during 2009 till date, we have trained the more than 8,000 volunteers, NSS all over India. And because some reason we couldn't continue to after 2018 onward. And once again, I congratulate in this occasion as you are also visited here with your team in 2018. And I think we should be continue it again next year, winter onward, and as well as in the summer for the adventure camps as we just cover all the activities which is related with the NSS in the field of our team spirit, leadership, and the quality assurance. And because all of you are celebrating this Golden Jubilee year, and now at present, we are also having a dynamic director here, the regular director, Colonel Neeraj Rana. And then I think we again start the same activity. We were running it since 2009 onward. And once again, I congratulate and thanks to calling me here. And I wish you good luck and see you soon in the next next coming year, 21. Thank you very much. Good luck and Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your motivational speech. And now I would like to request the guest of honor, Mr. Agnimel Das, Youth Officer, RDNSS Kolkata, and former NSS volunteer of the University of Calcutta, to say words on this occasion. Hello, sir. Mr. Das. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, sir, Mr. Agnimel. Hello, sir.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Please switch on your video. Hello, sir. Hello, Mr. Das. Hello.
অন করতে হবে, এটা মিউট করা আছে, মিউট আছে, ওনারটা মিউট আছে, মিউট ওটাকে ওপেন করতে।
Sir, please unmute yourself.
Please unmute yourself. টলি বলে দাও আনমিউট করতে হবে, মিউট আছে। हेलो, प्लीज अनम्यूट।
निशान सर, मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Hello, sir. Please unmute.
হ্যাঁ বলুন।
Sir, please unmute yourself.
পূর্ণ মাইতি, PURNAMAITY NCC बस। हाँ @ हाँ यस हाँ NCC @gmail।
I have called.
हाँ
I will start continue the program when he will be audible. He will.
हाँ
Our special guest, Mr. Nisha Sachari, working as a skiing instructor of Mountaineering and Allied Sports, Abhimat, Manali, Himachal Pradesh. After completion of the graduation in arts from Government College, Kulu, he has joined for
ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে
After completion of graduation in arts from Government Degree College, Kulu, he has joined for his training in skiing and mountaineering along with water sports at Abhimat, Manali. After training, he has joined as instructor at ski resort, from where he went to Oli at Uttaranchal and in Finland in 2007 to improve the new techniques in skiing. After that, in 2015, he has joined at Abhimat as a skiing instructor and trained the NSS volunteers as a course coordinator in the adventure camp from September to November 2018. I would like to request our special guest, Mr. Nishant Acharya, to inspire us with his speech. Sir, please. Nishant, sir, please unmute yourself.
Okay, thanks, Mr. Dolly Saha. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay, okay. First of all, I would like to thanks the chief guest, Miss Sarita Patel, Regional Director NSS Kolkata, Principal Mr. Puran Chandra Metti, Coordinator Miss Shampa Khasnobis, and Dr. Lakshmi Narayan Joshi, and Youth Affair Miss Nirmal Das. Am I right? So first of all, I would like to congratulate the all NSS team and all NSS dignity for the NSS Day on 24th September, and I would like to good luck to all NSS volunteers for their upcoming future and good health in their future. And I would like to the NSS for the NSS volunteer, they should come in the adventure sports in any place in the India. Apart from education, they must learn the outdoor activities also. But this year, due to COVID pandemic, it would not happen because all our groups are cancelled here. But I wish from the next year, when the time will be better than this year, so I would like to train that NSS volunteer again when they came to 2018 in Abhimas. So I welcome those NSS students who are coming here back in 2021. So I wish them good luck in next year. So that's all. Thank you. Good luck and Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Sure, it's coming in 2021. Now coming to the technical session on offbeat career guidance, I welcome Mr. Narvir Negi, who is at present working as a senior instructor in mountaineering at Atal Bihari Vajpayee Institute of Mountaineering and Allied Sports, Manali, Himachal Pradesh. He has joined this institute in 1985. He has completed his courses in mountaineering, skiing, and water sports under the guidance of North Ski Forbund, Norway. He has trained hang gliding by IISM New Delhi. He has attended the National Winter and Summer Camp and climbed around 25 named and unnamed peaks, of which a few are Hanuman Chibba, Friendship Ladakh, Manali, Chitidhar dancing Abhijamin peak of 24,130 feet. He has conducted numerous rescue operations, also conducted National Skiing Championship at Manali. As a coach of Abhimar, he has participated in the National Skiing Championship in 2002. He was the leader of Indian team in youth culture and mountain environment conservation program in Kazakhstan 2004, where he has climbed the peak of CV14 Mount Khatpuduk, Kalgatsky Pass and Mount Karkara West of 3,070 meters. He was also participated in military engineers expedition to Marnus and Kargil. He was the NSA coach with Indian team and EIS Alpine World Championship at Sanjing, Austria in 2013. That is the Navi Nagy to deliver his speech. Sir, please.
Hello, yeah, voice आ रही है? I would like to run the slide also.
Just sharing button on the slide. Click on the sharing button and then open the file you have put it on your desktop.
देखो शेयरिंग बटन कहाँ है इसका?
ऊपर में देखिए सर, ऊपर जो जहाँ से कैमरा है ऑन ऑफ का वो म्यूट करने का बटन, उसके बगल में देखिए एक स्क्वायर है, उसमें एक एरो दिया हुआ है, तो एरो वो है शेयर बटन, शेयर लिखा है उसमें देखिए एक हाथ आएगा शेयर बटन वो ये yes sir.
Okay, it's okay.
Yes sir, you can see.
So I can continue.
Yes sir, you can continue.
Okay, good morning, good afternoon, rather I say. Respected chief guest and other dignitaries and Dr. Dolly Shah, on the occasion of this celebration, Golden Jubilee celebration, I would like to congratulate on the behalf of this Mountaineering Institute, my director, Colonel Neeraj Rana, Government of Himachal Pradesh. So before I start, I feel proud to be part of this celebration. So this talk I will continue in two phases. In first phase, I would like to introduce about the Mountaineering Institute, that is Atal Bihari Vajpayee Institute of Mountaineering and Allied Sports, Manali. What we are doing, what we are conducting, or what infrastructure we are having. So in second phase, we will be going for the aspects, the adventure sports advantages, and the career prospects. So we'll begin with the institutes. So this is a brief history of our institute. So this Mountaineering Institute was established in 16 September 1961. Then it was the part of Punjab state. And later on in 71, when Himachal state became full-fledged state, all the hilly region of the Punjab merged in Himachal Pradesh. So this institute also became a asset of Himachal Pradesh government. So till now we are conducting training in adventure activities like mountaineering, rock climbing, water sports, skiing, and organizing expedition, mountain climbing expedition. And so far we have trained around 1,19,000 trainees in different disciplines. So NSS has a big role in this number. So this is our Manali headquarter office building. And on the mountain side, when we go for mountain climbing, this is the base camp. So we have tented accommodation on the mountains. And this is the mess, the food. This is the mess in the Manali. And this is on the base camp. Field mess. And this is the dormitory where the trainees used to stay. Hostel. And in Manali, we used to conduct rock climbing session. So this is the rock climbing part, and this one, this is the artificial rock climbing we call. So this is advanced level rock climbing, and this is for the beginners. And this is the practice we call jumaring. When the rope is fixed on the steeper section, we are using the one special device, a piece of equipment which is used on the rope to climb up. So it won't let you slide down, just move upside. And this is the practice doing with the load on the steeper section or steep rocks. And this practice is being done on the ice. And this is the practice we are doing on the artificial rock walls. The artificial holes are made there to climb up to maintain their balance and strength, physical strength. And this is ice wall climbing. On the glacier, the steep ice walls are there. The climbing practice is done there. And this is the practice technique that is for the descending purpose on the steeper section. When we are on the steep way down, it's difficult to descend or walk down. So we use this technique by fixing the rope and sliding down. This is the rappelling. This is on the rocks, and this portion, this is on the icy slopes. And this is the rescue work in case any emergency happens, any accident happens. So how we rescue the victims. This is on the stretchers. This is another technique. This is making improvised stretcher with the bamboos and ropes, and the casualties being carried on the back. This is the practice river crossing on the bay. When we are moving or going for any venture in the wilderness, we won't find any passage on the rivers or streams. We have to manually or physically cross the river stream. So there's some special type of training practice that is done. One is the physical crossing by going through the water. The second is by fixing or putting the rope and using some specialized technique to cross the rivers. And this is the team when we move to the base camp. So team going towards the base camp or trekking. These, I think these are the NSS volunteers. This is the ice wall climbing we used to do on the glaciers, on the high on the mountains. So just practice going on climbing, putting on crampons, like using ice axe on steep walls. It's very slippery and hard. So it's very difficult to move without crampons and without ice axe. So there's some technique training going on. So this type of wall we used to climb. This is again practice going on snow. This is a snow slope. This is a difference between ice wall and snow slope. This is a soft one, the snow covered slope, just climbing and descending practice. This is the bottom side. This is the on the ice. This is a hard one, the frozen ice. And this slide is about height gaining or climbing purpose. We move to the higher side on the mountain to the mountain peak or mountain top. This is a team going to the mountain, and this is the survival or self-cooking practice during the training period. So in case you are struck on the mountain, stranded on the mountain, you are not having any shelter, any food, what you have to manage your own. So different type of shelters, cooking their food. And this practice, this is also important or useful for a common man in case of any natural calamity happens. So this skill is developed. This is very helpful. So this is, we are conducting indoor class at Manali and outdoor class in the fields. So every day in the evening, we have the lecture sessions during the training. So this is at the termination of course. In the end of course, pictures taken with some dignitaries or chief guests. And beside mountaineering, we used to conduct in the winter snow skiing. So this is the snow skiing practice at our center near Manali. This is a Solang Nala called. And this is the in summer. We have one more option for the skiing in summer. There's no snow, but this is on the grass or grass covered slope. This we call grass skiing. And besides skiing, we used to conduct water sports activities. So we have another setup in Himachal Pradesh for these activities. It's all NCC volunteers doing practice water sports activities. These all pictures for the water sports activities: rafting, sailing, boating, subboarding, water skiing. Okay, for the further more detailed information, you can log on to our website, that is abimas.org, or this is the mail ID abimas@gmail.com. And for the inquiry, for the telephone number, this is our landline number, office number 01902 255316 255312. Thank you. This is about the institute, and now I would like to talk about this adventure sports. What we gain from the adventure activities. If we are involved in the adventure, many people ask what we gain from the adventure. Why we should involve ourselves in the adventure? Why should we go for the adventure? There are some points I would like to share. That is, these are all the hidden benefits. Nobody can see this. This one can feel, just feel. So one very first thing, that is enhance your fear management skills, means to come over the phobia. Some people are having the fear doing anything risky, dangerous, because adventure sports which involves risk, you need to dare to do something. So if you involve yourself in the adventure activity, so you can overcome with this problem, that is called phobia. Second is the boost your self-confidence. So sometimes we are lacking the self-confidence. If you go for the adventure activities, so it will surely boost your self-confidence. Sometimes, most of time, you have to do all the work with your own. So the next is, this is the way to explore your potential. What potential you are having, what capacity you are having. There's no parameter to judge yourself. So this is a field, only field in adventure activity. If you go for this activity in the wilderness, there's nobody to help you. So you can just do yourself. But you are having in worst situation, what can you do the best in that condition? That is your capability. So next is, this event, this game or this sports naturally boost your physical health and mental strength. And what you have learned to use that. The next thing we focus on during this, that is team spirit, cooperation and discipline. Improvise your decision making skill and leadership quality. These all come through the adventure activity, because you are provided a good platform to show yourself or prove yourself. And next, with the positive outlook and offers social interaction, because in the groups here you will provided to interact with the different categories or between different walks of life of people assembled here, different age groups, speaking different languages. So you have to interact with them. So it is a good opportunity to develop your friendship skill. So next, I would like to talk about the career prospects in the adventure activity. So one can develop himself as adventure sports performer or athlete, instructor or trainee, trainer, entrepreneur, freelancer, water sports or aerosports specialist, extreme sports specialist, that is adventure experts or the mountain climbing expert, adventure tourism facilitator, or adventure tour guide. These are the some career prospects in this field also. So one can choose this, or one can run his own setup business by choosing this adventure activities as a profession or personal business purpose. So nowadays, I think a lot of people want to go for the mountain or close to the nature to enjoy the nature, to see the nature, or get out of from the busy life. So it's a good opportunity to organize these things so one can have a good career in this. Thank you. So in the end, I would like to thank Dr. Dolly Saha and NSS team, and wish you all the best for the NSS volunteers in near future. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We are Thank you, sir. We are enriched with your talk, and we know about your institute, Abhiman, and the session is open for questionnaires. If anybody has any questions, then please unmute yourself and ask Mr. Negi directly. Or if you may write in the chat box, I will read out. अगर आप लोग कुछ पूछना है तो आप लोग डायरेक्ट अनम्यूट करके पूछ सकते हो मिस्टर नेगी को, या आप चैट बॉक्स में लिख दो, मैं कर दूंगी. Anybody, any questions, students? Hello, sir. Nobody has any questions?
Dolly ji, I have a question. Kamalika.
Yes, Kamalika.
Yes, I wanted to ask that we as a family, we love to go to the mountains, and we love to go for hikes also. But if someone has height phobia and yet wants to do trekking, is there any remedy for that? If someone has height phobia, to look, vertically downwards while hiking to a mountain top, low height mountain top, say to base camps and all. Is there any remedy for that?
हेलो मिस्टर नेगी, आप कमलिका तुम्हें ये बोल रहे हो उसका फोबिया है माउंटेन में जाने का, ऊपर से नीचे देखने का, ऐसा कुछ, ठीक तो? हेलो कमलिका.
हेलो.
हाँ नेगी सर, आप बताइए.
हाँ मिस कोमलिका. ओके, ऐसा कोई दिक्कत नहीं है कि ये सब हमारा साइकोलॉजिकली होता है कि हाइट फोबिया है, ये कुछ है. अगर आप अपने आप को थोड़ा इस चीज से ओवरकम करते हैं तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं आती है. इफ यू come here or go anywhere in the higher region, you can overcome this problem. अगर आप हमारे साथ में ज्वाइन हो जाते हैं तो हम आपको इस चीज से बाहर निकलने के लिए पूरी कोशिश करेंगे. जितने भी लोग हमने एक्सपीरियंस किया आज तक, हमारे साथ में जुड़े हैं, हमारे साथ में आए, जिनको भी ये दिक्कत थी, तो धीरे धीरे ये सब चीजें हट गई थी. तो ऐसा कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome.
Thank you, sir. Any questions? Okay.
Today, as some Hello.
Hello.
Sir, I want to say that right now the youth is not coming up with these ideas. Right, they are right now just going through the professional things, just like engineering and doctoring. So how you encourage them to be at that things,
Yeah. Okay.
and how much
So
safer your institutes are? If suppose that if a child is gone to your institute for learning the mountain training and all that, and in case if he or she got damaged his hands and something else, then how your institutes work up with that?
okay. So very first thing, it's a adventure sports. So anything can happen in the adventure sports. This is a risky event, but we take proper precautions. So till now we don't have any incident. So minor injuries, fractures, or it's a part of game. Okay. So and second thing. So when we are enrolling anybody in the institute, they are fully insured from the institute with the insurance company. So till now we didn't experience any major accident or fatal accident or death case during the mountaineering or in our session, any adventure session. So minor fracture or injuries, scratches, these are the parts of the game. And most of the common error mistakes, this is individual errors.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Any questions? I think there is no more questions.
Okay.
Thank
Thank you. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
I think we have with us Mr. Agnimal Das, who is guest of honor. He has joined with us.
বলছি আনমিউট করতে হবে, কিছু শুনতে পাচ্ছি না। হ্যাঁ বলছি আমার কাছে না ভয়েস আছে, আমি এক্ষুনি জাস্ট একবার লিভ করে জয়েন করছি, জাস্ট 2 মিনিট।
Yes, sir. Now we have with us our guest of honor, Mr. Agnimal Das, Youth Officer, Regional Directorate of NSS Kolkata, and former NSS Volunteers of University of Calcutta. Now I am requesting you to say a few words on this occasion. Mr. Das, please. Hello, Mr. Das. Hello. Hello, Mr. Das. Hello. Hello, Mr. Das. Please unmute yourself.
শোনা যাচ্ছে?
Yes, you are audible.
Thank you very much to our respected AGC Bose College Authority for organizing this program. I am very much sorry I was unable to join on the scheduled time. As we all know that NSS Foundation Day, and we have to join the program of the award ceremony. That's why I was unable to join in the right time. But now I want to thank. Now I want to thank all the college authority, our respected